Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to zoom in on CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, open CapCut on your PC, import the image or the video to the track and select the image or the video. Now go over here on basic and click on this add keyframe option right beside this percentage option. Click on add keyframe. Okay. Now add the second keyframe by clicking over here, add keyframe. Now this time, increase the scale of the image like this. And that's it. You're good to go. You can see the result. That's how you can add zoom in effect. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.